Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Bukola, and today I will be doing the chunky box braids. Yes, this is going to be my first time doing this hairstyle, so I just pray it works out. Like, I've not braided my hair in a long time. I think the last time I braided my hair, I mean using the hair extension, was last year or so. So I'll be trying this today, and let's hope it turns out fine, right? So now I'm going to go section my hair, so sit back and watch. Okay, thank you. Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm done sectioning my hair. You see, I twisted them as well. So I tried using the rubber method, but the rubber I bought isn't good enough, so they were just breaking. So I'm going to show you how I did my twist. So I used the Cantu leave-in conditioner. I'm going to show you the product I'll be using. Okay, so the Cantu leave-in conditioner, this Renee Blanché gel, and this water wax. I'm going to insert the pictures because I know you might not see them well from where the camera is, and everything I'll be using, I'll be leaving them in the description area, and I'll be using the expression hair. I've cut and stretched my hair. This is what the expression I used. So this is the expression I used, and so now I'm going to start by putting. So what I did was put the leave-in conditioner, then take a little gel, then take little water wax, so what I did was, so just then twist. This is how I twist my hair. I know some twist it in another way, but this is how I know how to twist my hair, like this. So okay, so now it's time to begin our braid. So I'm going to remove my glasses, and okay, let's begin our chunky braids. Let's see how it goes. So I bought little of this color 30, and I'm just going to mix it a little bit with this color 27. I'm going to be using this blonde because I always shy away from this color, because I always feel that this color doesn't go well with my skin color, or doesn't go well. I always shy away from the color. So today I just want to come out of my shell and do something different. So this is my first time doing the chunky braids myself. This is going to be my first time doing this myself. So I'm just going to pray that it turns out beautiful. So I usually do this. This is what I do. I usually do this. I separate like this. Then let us start from, where should I start from? Let me start from here. Here is mine. So I'm going to start like this, because I'll be doing some off camera. I don't want this video to be too long. Can you see the rubber? Okay. So I'm the quality of this rubber is 0. So I'm just going to take some of this gel. Yes.
of the night sky, trying to make me see your stars. But the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. And the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. Sky. You're the night sky, hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see you're blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the tide. I can't find the point where to pass the line, but you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet, I can feel your silence. You always feel so far. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
So I'm done making my hair. I had to change my outfit because after making my hair I had to go attend to my family. So I'm done making my hair. I think for a first timer, like I didn't do bad, and I really like the color. The color is not bad. I know maybe next time I'm gonna improve on some things because it's also chunky. This should last me for like 2 weeks. Let me show you the back. So this is just me trying the chunky box braids for the first time. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes.